we're going to first experiment with inertia. You ever heard of inertia? I have. So it's a little bit. So with inertia, when an object is in motion, it stays in motion, right? What if I stack my pennies? Well, they aren't in motion. No, my pennies are at rest. And an object at rest will typically stay at rest. Now, if a force comes and disrupts their rest, they fall apart. That makes sense. What if I wanted to, possibly, maybe, make this stack of pennies change without making them fall? Can we do it? An object in motion stays in motion. If I move one of these pennies, everything starts moving. Well, there's also that friction piece. Friction is carrying these and making them fall apart too. If I'm fast enough, perhaps that friction won't be an issue, and my object in motion will stay in motion. Let's try it. I have a very dull butter knife here, very small and very dull, and I also have my stack of pennies. I didn't stack very many. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hit that bottom penny with my knife, and we're going to see if I can make this stack stay stacked. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That was lucky. All right, so the bottom penny came out from the bottom, and my stack stayed at rest. The friction didn't cause me to move, and this one continued to go in motion. Whoop. I knocked 2 out, but we still have our stack. This is an easy one for you guys to try at home. Maybe not with a butter knife. You could also try it with a ruler if you have one of those at home too. Thanks for joining me, guys. Have fun experimenting.